Bitcoin is valuable because it's censorship resistant and inflation proof. That's why its price goes up. Do you think the government which creates all this inflation will top Blacksmith I Speak in Tongs shirt sitting in Bitcoin avoiding all its inflation? No. It will freeze your funds and steal your Bitcoins via its deputies at Coinbase.com and any other exchange if you're stupid enough to leave your coins in its custody. I was just listening to this. Top Blacksmith I Speak in Tongs shirt. Tank top. V-neck. Sweatshirt and hoodie. Hoodie. Top Blacksmith I Speak in Tongs shirt. Sweatshirt. Tank top. V-neck. Not at all. In fact, it's going to get worse before it gets better. Lots of people are going to buy Bitcoin on PayPal and then have their accounts unilaterally frozen. Those people will quickly either abandon Bitcoin or understand the top Blacksmith I Speak in Tongs shirt. I can't believe this got upvoted that much. Your entire stand is all based on overly dramatic other product.